gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button. I do post on my channel every single week, but today I wanted to talk about one of the easiest ways to make money online, in particular on Amazon. So if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I love to share different side hustles or ways to make money online, and I'm always looking for a good passive income idea. And I stumbled upon publishing low content books on Amazon. And let me tell you, this is one of the simplest things to do, and it only takes a few minutes. Especially with the rising prices, I am always looking for different ways to make money online that I enjoy and that also is very low risk, because personally myself, I don't want to put a lot of money up front. I want something that is low risk and is just going to bring you some passive income in. If you are looking for ways to make more income, definitely keep watching, and I'm going to explain to you everything you have to do. You may be wondering, how am I going to do that? But after watching this video, you're going to see how simple it is and only takes a few minutes to go ahead and create a low content book and then go ahead and publish it onto Amazon. So let's just get right into it. First things first, what is a low content book? It is a book that is not full of words. So it is usually something that has a layout or a format where people can write down their thoughts or their images into. So that can be anything from a journal, a notebook, a planner, a calendar, and there are just so many other options. It is not something like a novel or like a nonfiction book or anything like that. In this video in particular, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create that low content book and then how to self-publish it onto Amazon so you could start making money. So the biggest thing that really has helped me and is super crucial is the tool that I use, and I use a tool called BookBolt. I will have all the information to it down below, but BookBolt essentially is a service/software that is going to help you to do the research to see kind of what is selling and what the demographics are, and as well as help you create your low content book. So create the actual design and all of that. There is a monthly fee. If you do the newbie package, it is $9.99 a month. And if you do the pro package, which is the one I prefer, it's only $19.99 a month. They do give you a 3-day free trial. And they were also nice enough to provide me with a discount code for you guys. So if you use my code Nicoletta20, that's gonna get you 20% off of your package. So I will link that down below in the description box for you guys. But like I said, this is very minimal. You don't have to put a lot of money up front like a lot of businesses require. So it's a really low risk. You're not really losing, which is, like I said, what I look for when I am looking for different side hustles and ways to make passive income. So there are 4 major reasons why I joined BookBolt, and that has made it just honestly easy to be able to create low content books and go ahead and publish them. The first one being customer research. So this is really crucial. Of course, you want to know what your competition is. You kind of want to also know what is doing well, what's selling, so that you can kind of figure out what your niche is going to be and what's going to work well and make you as much money as possible. By having your BookBolt account, this will allow you to do that customer research. It's really great because it will tell you what the best selling low content books are, whether you're making a journal or a notebook or a calendar, and as well as it shares with you how much that low content book is selling every single month. And it just really shares with you what is doing well and what's not. In order to do that research, I use 2 of the key features on my BookBolt account. The first one being going under the products feature. And if you go under this feature, you can go ahead and choose which low content book you're looking to do. I love doing like notebooks and journals. So if you go under notebooks and let's say you want to look for floral notebooks, it will share with you all of the notebooks that is currently selling the best. And another feature on your BookBolt account on the left is the cloud feature, and this one's really great for giving you really specific details about what is selling and what is doing well. If you go on the cloud feature, this is just going to be a summary of best sellers, and it's going to allow you to see all of the details about how it's rated, how much is selling per month, and how well pretty much each notebook is doing. You can also, of course, filter the search. So they do give you a wide variety based on price point or how many results you want. So you can go ahead and just dim it down so you can kind of get an idea of what the competition is and, like I said, what is doing well. So like I was just saying, this leads me into the second reason, which is Amazon keywords. So BookBolt is really gonna help you as well to determine what are the best keywords, the best descriptors and title to use for your product in order to get more sales. So the keywords feature on BookBolt is really great at finding out what to add into your title or what's doing well when it comes to descriptive words in your title, on the description, and also on the back end when you're actually uploading your product and you're adding all the keywords. It actually tells you what keywords are working and what kind of descriptors are working so that you can add them into your title and your description, and as well as the keywords on the back end when you upload your low content book. The third reason is training. I love BookBolt because it's really informative. They have 24/7 customer service that's available to you at any time. They also do weekly lives every single Thursday morning. So they just are really great at educating you and giving you as much information you need to know. Of course, when you start anything, you really want to learn as much as possible to be the best that you can be in that field. So BookBolt will really just help you understand and be able to work on this business. And number 4, one of the biggest reasons and why I love BookBolt is due to its design software. So you do not need to have any design experience at all to be able to make your own low content book and go ahead and publish it and sell it on Amazon. In order to create your low content book, you have to just go on your BookBolt account and you're going to go under create. And this is just going to be super simple now where you can go ahead and make your low content book. As you guys will be seeing, I personally am just making a notebook. You can make as many low content books as well, by the way. You don't have to just do one. You can keep creating more and more and publishing that and having more on Amazon. Of course, if you have more out there, you're more likely to also bring more income in. So I really love BookBolt because you don't need any design experience, and it's going to provide you with hundreds of templates that are customized. So making a book with BookBolt is just super easy. So if you are doing your notebook, it gives you a bunch of options when it comes to even the different lines and all of that, the layout. You can put different photos even onto your notebook where you can have it underlaid. And then of course, when it comes to the actual cover, the front and back, there are so many images that you could choose. You can of course upload your own images, but of course it has to make sure that it's not copyrighted. But they also do provide a bunch of different free images that you can just use yourself, and you can use it on the front and back cover, and you can even put it within your whole book, different images. So this is the part where you really just have fun with it and you get creative and you kind of just do whatever you want and make your book look aesthetically pleasing, make it look exciting. You can change also how many pages you're going to add, the dimensions of your book, which that's another thing when you are researching. It's great to also look at the dimensions that are selling well, like what is a typical dimension for a notebook that tends to sell. So you can kind of see that information as well. I also like to put the bleed option. This I just find is a better outcome and it looks better. And as well as you can decide if you want it to be a paperback. Of course, if you're doing a paperback, it is going to be the most affordable. You're going to also make more income. Once you have it all done, you just have to save it. And then once you have your files saved onto your desktop, this is when you're going to go on Amazon KDP. And if you guys are wondering what Amazon KDP is, I will have it linked down below. It just stands for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And this is exactly where you are going to publish your book once you make it on BookBolt and you save your document. Once you go on Amazon KDP, you can actually just go ahead and sign in with your Amazon login and register that you have. and this is where you're going to go ahead and publish your low content book, and you're gonna do all the titles, the description, the keywords, and fill everything out. And then once you do that, you're going to publish it. It takes just a little bit of time before they accept it. They typically accept it very easily and very quickly. And once it's accepted, it will start to sell on Amazon. And Amazon is going to be the one dealing with the shipping, the product, and as well as the customer service, which is super convenient. Of course, it's going to depend on whether you do a paperback or hard copy or whatever the case may be. That's really convenient. You don't have to deal with the product once it's done. You just have to deal with making the actual product, taking that few minutes that it takes to make a low content book, and then it's all profit from there. And also on the Amazon KDP, of course, this is where you're going to list the price, and you can use BookBolt, of course, as a feature to see what people are typically selling their notebook or their low content book for, so you can determine what's a good price for you. It also tells you the minimum price that you can add for your book so you can make some profit, because of course, because you are using Amazon, they are going to take a cut from the overall product's price. So you want to make sure that you are okay with the price where you make a little bit of profit. That's pretty much it. As you guys saw, you saw my creation of my notebook. I just wanted to do something simple, but also was very aesthetically pleasing. And that is how it goes. And that is a great way to make some passive income that is low risk. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. And I will also have my discount code in the description box. This discount code, Nicoletta20, will give you 20% off of your order completely. It is not just 20% off 1 month. It will be 20% off always. So make sure you guys use my coupon code if you do sign up to BookBolt. If you guys were interested in anything like this or looking for another side hustle, definitely try this out. It's super fun, super easy, and super convenient as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single week, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.